I don't know these well. Okay, the graph below shows Juan's hiking experiences. Oh, I didn't change that to miles. My goodness. This should be miles. What was the rate of change for Juan's hiking speed from 0 to 5 hours? Explain how you know. That's not it. Shouldn't be there. Okay? Okay. 0 to 3 hours. 0, he's at 1 is already at 1 mile. At 3 hours, he's at 7. So together, the difference is 7 to 1. 7 minus 1, remember rate of change. Okay, and it's in 3 hours total. 0 to 3 is 3 hours. Okay, so speed is distance over time. The distance is 6 miles. Over time is 3 hours. So you get 2 hours, 2 miles per hour. Juan is hiking 2 miles per hour. How do you know? How would you explain it? We take the change in time to solve this. We took the change. We subtract. We took the change in miles. Needed. You need to. You need to take the change in miles to over the change in time. Okay? That's how we explain it. Okay, B. What was the rate of change? What was the rate of change for Juan's hiking speed from 3 to 6 hours? 3 to 6 hours right here. Rate of change is 0. The rate of change is 0 because there's no change between how do we know? How do we know that the rate of change is 0? Because the rate of change is 0 because Juan stopped. He didn't go anywhere. Describe the graph from 3 to 6 hours. Okay. So you would write this, you would say it's continuous. I spelled that wrong. Wow. Continuous. Linear. Horizontal line graph. What was Juan doing? You can say Juan. Okay. We need to write this in a sentence. Juan stopped to visit his mom for 3 hours. Okay? So you can, okay, the graph is discrete, continuous, continuous, and linear. What was Juan doing? Linear, horizontal. Horizontal, linear, and horizontal, what was the rate of change in Juan's hiking from 6 to 8? Well, from right here to right there. That's 7 to 19. Okay, 7 to 19. 19 minus 7 is 12 over how many hours? 2 hours. So the rate of change, his hiking speed from 6 to 8 hours is Juan's hiking speed is 6 miles per hour. Oh, God. Mess up. Subtract. So you subtract, divide by 2 the number of hours, get the speed.
Yeah,
that's how you would explain. Okay. And this, I left mine at home, so I had to use this. Okay, on your test, I will tell you to use a domain of -1, 0, 1, and 2. So you put input or domain, that's your x, your output or your y, and that's your range. That's your answer. So here's what I want to see as work. The input, okay, let's do the order pair. -1, we want to find the output. Input -1, so y, okay, absolute value of x -1, so we put -1 minus 1. It's 1 minus 1, the answer is 0, the output is 0. Next one is 0, absolute value of 0 minus 1 is 0 minus 1, which is -1. Oh. Honey, you need to take Bryce to soccer practice. Next one is 1, so absolute value of 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, which is 0. Oh, I'm sorry, this was 0. Oh my goodness. Okay, domain of 1, the range is 0. 2, absolute value 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Absolute value of 1 is the answer then is ordered pair of 2, 1. And then we graph it. Oh, and then more graphs. I'll do one at a time because I'm tired, so my brain is moving slow and I won't be able to record a lot of these. Okay? And this is that. Explain if above equation is a function. Okay, well, it is a function. The equation above is a function. Because the domain do not repeat and the vertical line test will only go through the graph once. And the vertical line, if you draw any vertical line, will only go through the graph. Will only go once through the graph once. Okay. I'm going to stop here and upload